Did you know that UK shipping laws have been described as one of the most complex legal frameworks to navigate, especially in the post-Brexit era? Hi, my name is Steve Perrys, and together with our faculty director, we would like to invite you to our certified program on UK shipping laws, international regulations, and conventions. To begin our program, we'll deep dive into the UK's intricate maritime laws, such as the Merchant Shipping Act, Maritime Labour Convention, and much more. You'll learn how these domestic laws interact with international regulations, like UNCLOS, and the pivotal role played by the International Maritime Organization. Next, you'll gain comprehensive knowledge on critical legislations, such as Carriage of Goods by Sea Act and the Marine and Coastal Access Act. We'll also integrate major international standards, like SOLAS, MARPOL, and the STCW Convention, to provide you with a 360-degree view of the maritime legal landscape. You'll also learn how to manage marine insurance needs, deal with customs brokerage activities, and implement proper cargo and container handling strategies. Everything you need is explained in detail as you progress through the course and move from the basics to the more advanced sections in this certified program. You'll even learn how to identify potential maritime legal risks, devise effective shipping policies, understand permit requirements, and carry out compliant shipping operations. Upon completion of the program, you'll be awarded with the certification in UK shipping laws, international regulations, and conventions. This distinguished certification will amplify your professional qualifications and demonstrate your ability to navigate UK's maritime laws and international regulations. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into a sea of knowledge by enrolling in our certified program today.